Irish Kadusali. I'm 28 years old, single.
Why do you want to go in Hong Kong?
I want to earn more money and to support my family.
How are you, Miss Irish?
I'm 28 years old now.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, did you work abroad before?
No, ma'am.
Did you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
4,
How many children?
2,
How old they were?
7, and then 9 months.
Okay, you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly tell us how.
Feed him,
Okay.
cleaning the bottle.
Can you sing children's song?
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down.
Okay, do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino food,
Describe your personal character.
trustworthy, kind, friendly.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper?
I will follow them, ma'am.
Okay, and will you promise to finish the tourist contract?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.